Hello guys, today I've got the iPad Air M4 from 2026 and I'm going to show you how you can easily fix when you have your pattern lock not recognized in your device. The main thing that you need to do is you just need to do a factory reset of your device. If you don't want to lose your data, you need to contact the Apple's customer service and have your issue fixed. But if you can't contact, or you are unable to, or you aren't sure that your pattern lock is the correct one you have inserted before, it's safer option to do a factory reset. Prepare yourself a Windows computer with the iTunes application installed, or a MacBook with the Finder, maybe not installed, but or MacBook, and power off your iPad. Hold the power button and volume up, slide to power off here, and power off your device. Now, after some time your device is turned off, now you need to turn it down with the power and volume up button. Connect it with the USB type C to type A computer to a computer now before turning on your iPad, and restart it. Goodbye.